One meal which I started making this fall is a vegetable egg scramble. I use what vegetables I have available to me. Earlier this fall I really enjoyed using green beans as part of this, but as it is late September, I no longer have any fresh ones, so it's onion, zucchini, and cabbage. I have found that adding the onions and zucchini at the same time is the right amount of cooking for what I like. The cabbage disappeared in the final product, so I will consider adding it later when I make this again. The ingredients are the same as a vegetable omelet, but instead of turning the stove down really low when adding the eggs, after the vegetables have cooked some, only turn it down to a medium heat and scramble the eggs. Another benefit, in addition to the reduced cooking time, is that I crack eggs into the pan where with an omelet it is necessary to pre-scramble them. After cooking the eggs for a while, I turn off the stove before laying some cheese to melt from the residual heat. Fresh tomatoes really add a lot to this meal, so much that I may not consider it good enough to make without them. I find this to be one of the quick and easiest lunches to make, and I don't eat this for breakfast, even though it is a sort of breakfast type meal, and even for dinner I'll often have this. I find it just really good, just really good stuff in it, and it's nice, easy to make, and nice, warm, easy to make